Alright, myself Naresh, this is Vasav Educational Academy Narapalli. I am continue the chapter of properties of triangles, previous MCET question. A very easy method, okay? I am giving very easy method of this question. You know already what is a equilateral triangle? All angles should be same. A, capital B, capital C value should be equal to 60 degree. Side should be is equal to same. A equal to 6, B equal to 6, C equal to 6. These are the sides of the equilateral triangle now. Now this is the question now. Cos of A divided by A plus cos of B divided by B plus cos of C divided by C. This A, B, C is the capital angles, capitals only. A should be is equal to what? 60 degree. By side A should be is equal to what? 6. Cos of B 60 degree by 6. Cos of C 60 degree divided by 6. Okay. Cos 60 value should be is equal to how much now? Root cos 60 value is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by 6. 1 by 2 divided by 6. 1 by 2 divided by 6. 1 by 2 divided by 6 equal to what? This is 6 by 1. 1 by 2 into 1 by 6. 1 by 2 into 1 by 6. 1 by 2 into 1 by 6. 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12. LCM is equal to 12. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3 by 12. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, 1 by 4 is the answer. 1 by 4 is the answer. You need to verify all the options. I am taking directly B option now. You need to check it. First A option, then go to B, then go to C, then go to D. Which one option is correct for the answer is equal to 1 by 4. I am taking B option now. Now what is the B option now? A square plus B square plus C square divided by 2 into ABC. These all are the smalls only. Then smalls equal to 6 square plus 6 square minus of 6 square divided by 2 into 6 into 6 into 6 plus 6 square minus 6 square cancel. 6 square is equal to 6 into 6 divided by 2 into 6 into 6 into 6. 6 cancel. Then 1 by 12. 1 by 12. Okay, 1 by 12. Then this is the which option here? B option is plus only here. Okay, B option is plus is given. Now you need to take plus only now here. Then what will happen? Then what will happen? 6 square. This is a not B option. This is which option here? This is C option. Okay, this is C option. Now I am taking B option now. All are the plus only. 6 square plus 6 square plus 6 square divided by 2 into 6 into 6 into 6. 6 square 36. 6 square 36. 6 square 36 divided by 2 into 6 into 6 into 6. 36 plus 36 plus 36 is equal to how much? 36 into 3 times. 3 6 ja 18. 3 3 ja 9. 9 plus 1 10. 108 divided by 2 into 6 into 6 into 6. Then what will happen here? 2 1 ja 2 5 ja and 2 4 ja 6 1 ja 6 how many times? 6 9 ja and then 3 2 ja 3 3 ja 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. Then 1 divided by 2 into 2 4. 1 by 4 here, 1 by 4 over here. C option I am taking, answer is 1 by 12. But B option I am taking, option is 1 by 4. Your answer also got 1 by 4. Then trick is applicable. So then B option is correct. 1 by 4. I am taking B option 1 by 4. If you take the remaining A option and D option 100% wrong because of here 2 in 2 is not there here. Here minus B square is there here. Here minus C square is there here. So that's why A, B, C D is the wrong answers. Only B option is correct. So that's why our trick is applicable from the properties of triangles. All the angles should be is equal to 60 degree. All the sides should be is equal to same. A equal to small b equal to small c equal to 6.